Shark at Christmas. Hello my dear children. Today we're going to draw a shark family. We are going to draw a shark family wearing Santa hats. How cool is that? Let's get started. We're gonna start with the baby shark. For the baby shark, we're gonna draw his body, his tail, and his back fin. You can do it!
The Christmas din shining bright, like a twinkling star, celebrating near and far. Colorful fish swimming round, happy sounds all around. Laughing kids full of glee, under the sea, wild and free. Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime.
Now let's draw a circle for his eye and a Christmas outfit. Wow, I am so excited for that.
Mommy Shark in red so bright, joining in the Christmas light, singing songs so warm and deep as they swim through the ocean sleep. Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime.
We need a red outfit and a red hat. Yes, a beautiful hat.
Daddy Shark with the jolly grin, decorating the Christmas din, shining bright like a twinkling star, celebrating near and far. Colorful fish swimming round, happy sounds all around. Laughing kids full of glee, under the sea, wild and free.
Amazing! Our baby shark looks so cute in that hat. Now let's move on to Daddy Shark. Yay! Let's start by drawing his body, his tail at the end, his eye, mouth, nose, and his back fin.
Round full of happiness, singing carols, oh so sweet. Under the sea, what a treat. Mommy Shark in red so bright, joining in the Christmas
His tail at the end,
songs so warm and deep as they swim through the ocean sleep.
his eye,
It's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime.
mouth,
Baby Shark, Mommy and Dad, swimming together, so glad.
nose, and his back fin.
Decorating the Christmas din, shining bright,
Daddy Shark is so strong.
celebrating near and far. Colorful fish swimming round, happy sounds all around. Laughing kids full of glee, under the sea, wild and free. Under the sea, it's Christmas time.
Let's add some festive hats, like a Santa hat.
Mommy and Dad, swimming together.
You can draw cute Christmassy things on their outfit, like trees, gingerbread men, snowflakes, everything. Now let's move on to Mommy Shark. Sweet Mommy Shark. Let's start by drawing her body. You can draw along with me.
Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime. Baby Shark, Mommy and Dad, swimming together, so glad.
Kids, did you realize that shark family is wearing same clothes? They're all celebrating Christmas. Wow! Let's draw her Christmas outfit and her beautiful hat. Let's make the main lines darker and thicker to make it look beautiful. It's time to color the shark family. You ready? Let's go! Do you like to color the baby shark first? Yes, baby shark is yellow, like the sun. Our baby shark looks so happy. Let's color his Christmas outfit red.
Shark in a festive dress, swimming around full of happiness.
You are such a talented little artist. I'm so proud of you. Now let's move on to the mommy shark. You know that she's pink, right? You are so smart.
Singing songs so warm and deep as they swim through the ocean sleep. Under the sea it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad, swimming together, so glad.
Look at her outfit. Let's color them red.
Celebrating the Christmas tin, shining bright like a twinkling star, celebrating near and far.
Good job.
Swimming around happy,
It's Daddy Shark's turn.
full of glee.
Let's start with blue and color his body.
It's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark,
Baby shark is yellow, mommy shark is pink, and daddy shark is blue. They are having a Christmas party.
baby shark in a festive dress.
Then let's color his Santa Claus's outfit red.
Carols, oh so sweet. Under the sea, what a treat. Mommy shark in red, so bright, joining in the Christmas light, singing songs.
Now, in the final steps, let's add some shading. I'm going to shade with my gray color.
It's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad, swimming together, so glad.
Your shark family is adorable.
Grin, decorating the Christmas.
Now, let's add some bubbles to make it look like they're swimming in a magical underwater world.
Colorful fish swimming around, happy sounds all around, laughing kids full of glee under the sea, wild and free. Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad.
We did it! We are done! My dear children, to see more drawings, Be sure to subscribe to our channel and watch other videos. See you!